Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video we made classic meatpie fillings. These fillings are yummy and at the same time nutritious. Kindly sit back and enjoy the video. You already know I'm a vegetable lover and I love to incorporate vegetables in every meal I make. All the health benefits of the vegetables used in these fillings will be listed in the description box. Kindly take out your time to read and learn more on the health benefits of incorporating these vegetables into your diet. Vegetable prepping is the foremost item on our list today. All the vegetables were cut in similar sizes. I love cutting my vegetables in similar sizes and shapes because I feel I eat with my eyes, with my mouth, and when I'm eating a meal, I don't want to see unequal sized vegetables. I want all my vegetables equally cut. I made classic meat pies for my family during the Easter break and they really enjoyed it. So I thought to share this video with you. You can make this filling a day before you bake your pies. Just store them in the fridge to prevent them from spoiling. It also helps save you time and makes your work less cumbersome. If you've watched to this point, kindly smash the subscribe button, kindly like my video, share with your friends and family, drop your lovely comments in the comment section, and I will be glad to reply them. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers who always watch my videos, who comment, who share my videos. I want to say a big thank you. Thank you for pushing this brand forward. Thank you for taking this brand to the permanent site. Yes, we're headed to the permanent site. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. In a saucepan, I heated a cup of vegetable oil. I'm using white onions because white onions have a sweeter taste compared to the purple onion. I saute the onions for 3 minutes till it releases its flavors. I added a teaspoon of oregano and also a teaspoon of thyme. I'm adding my herbs at this point because I want the herbs to infuse its flavors into the oil. I want this oil flavorful and I want to make sure the herbs absorbs all the flavors at this time. I throw in my fresh habanero peppers and crushed black peppers. I saute this for 1 minute and then I added my crushed garlic. Garlic has this beautiful flavor and aroma it adds to minced beef. I used a kilogram of minced beef. You could use less if you're making a smaller portion. But making a large portion, that's why I used a kilogram of minced beef. added my better than beyond seasonings. I added some salt to the seasonings and then I throw them in. I prefer this better than beyond seasoning because it has less GMO, it has less artificial flavors, and it's healthier for me. I use fresh peas, and that's why I'm adding the peas at this time. I want the peas to cook alongside with the beef. That's because if I add this pea later on, I will be left with uncooked peas, and you don't want that. Do not worry about the beef looking dry at this time. That's because the beef will release its own liquid and flavors. So do not worry. Just like I said, the beef has released its flavors and nutrients, and that's why you're seeing all this liquid around it. Then at this time, I add my Irish potatoes. Irish potatoes also serve as a thickener. If you notice, when you add Irish potatoes to soups or stews, it thickens it a bit. So I'll be adding my Irish potatoes at this time because I want them to cook slightly cooked. I don't want them soggy, I don't want them hard, I just want them a little bit firm. Then I introduced my vegetables. I added my diced carrots. My carrots look so beautiful. And then my celery and spring onions. This adds a beautiful color, flavor, and aroma to this minced beef. It was so delicious. I really enjoyed this. I will advise you make use of the combination of celery and spring onions. Try this combination and come back to say thank you. You'd love it. To thicken this up a little, I used corn flour, a teaspoon of corn flour and some water to make a slurry to thicken this a little. I also want to note that you do not want to overcook these vegetables because you're still going to bake them in the oven. So if you have overcooked vegetables at this point, when you bake them in the oven, they become soggy and mushy, which we don't want tables at this time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my other videos. Until we see next time, remain blessed and always have a productive